This is, V. Vaidyanathan, the MD and CEO of IDFC First Bank, has joined in, and there is some stake that he sold to GQG. So we'll just pull up. GQG has actually bought 5 crore shares from V. Vaidyanathan. Mr. Vaidyanathan, thanks a lot for joining in. First, if you can just explain the rationale of this sale.
See, these options were, given to me as by Capital First as the CMD stock options at pretty much at the inception stage of Capital First, and even later at various prices. So these options are close to expiry, and I need to pay 229 crores to the bank for subscribing to these options, and I need to pay 240 crores as income tax because the stock is appreciated in value. I've also had some pre-committed social costs of 9.2 crores. So basically, we got sale proceeds of 478.7 crores by sale to GQG, and I have used all of it for these 3 purposes.
All right. Hi, good morning, Mr. Vaidyanathan. Well, you've been speaking about numbers and you've been bang on achieving it. Could you tell us what is your current stake? I mean, post this exercise of option, what is your stake total?
My stake has increased to 1.04%, including what I hold in my direct name, as well as what I'm holding in a social trust.
Mr. Vaidyanathan, how much does GQG in total hold now?
Well, they have to talk for themselves, but to the best of my knowledge, it would be something like about 4.7%.
4.7%. Anything more here we should expect with regards to, or they would stay under 5%, because I think there are rules which say that beyond to go above 5%, you need a nod from the regulator as well, right, Mr. Vaidyanathan?
That's right.
So they will stay under 5% as you understand it as of now, or do they have? Is there? Okay.
Okay. Mr. Vaidyanathan, so you said you have a little over 1.04%, right?
Currently? That's right. That's right, yeah.
And do you have any plans to sell that stake? Yeah.
No question at all. Because as I told you, I want to just make it very clear to everybody, since we are a well-governed company and I owe proper explanation. This sale has been directly reinvested back in the bank.
Correct.
This is very important to note. There is no part of the sale has been used for personal consumption. No
Correct.
part of the sale is for any other purpose of making any other investment. The entire investment has come back into the bank or has been used to paying tax. So, as I said number before, I will be paying 229 crores to the bank, as I will be investing it back in the bank as equity.
Yes.
For acquiring the shares, and 240 crores I'll pay tax.
Got it. Warburg still holds about 3% stake, right? Is there any communication from their end?
No communication from their end. I don't know. I don't know the 3 or 4%, something like that. But
Okay, Mr. Vaidyanathan. Got it. Mr. Vaidyanathan, business, since we have you on the phone line, looks good. The 25% loan growth in FY24 on track, sir?
All on guidance, and this is the last month of the quarter, so I should be careful. So please don't push me too hard on the numbers.
No.
But in the sense, but absolutely, all the numbers we talk about in terms of loan growth, deposit growth, all that absolutely on track. Bank is doing well.
Just one more. I had we kind of picked up on. And this came from NBFC. We spoke with the management of Piramal Finance recently. And they said that in the unsecured segment, there perhaps is some trouble brewing. And that could be months away. I just wanted your thoughts, Mr. Vaidyanathan, on that particular segment, your exposure to it.
Bank is doing... I told you, listen, bank is doing superbly well. You see our asset quality numbers, gross NPA on retail is not even 1.6, net is about 0.6. Really, frankly, fantastic. Credit costs are very low. So we are very cautious. We will continue to be very cautious. Basically, you should remember we do cash flow financing, and this is very important. It's like escrow. And we are conscious of our numbers, and we're doing very well. Nothing to worry about.
Right, absolutely. What is the exposure, though, just to get that number, sir?
I think I've already answered you. I think we should move ahead.
Okay, got that. Well, we'll leave it there then. Mr. Vaidyanathan, good luck. Thank you very much for joining us and joining us on short notice. Sorry?
I thought you called to understand the transaction, which I explained properly now. But first of all, thanks for calling me, so that I had a good chance to explain the whole thing. The rest is there in the stock exchange disclosures. You can always look at it. Yeah.
All right, Mr.
Thanks, bye.
Vaidyanathan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Well, that's the management of IDFC First Bank with some perspective. Just under 97 now. Stock's doing very well. It's done very well, up about 1.25% or so. Nigel.
All right.